You want to prove that it's something, you want to go to you cannot stop the motor while the motor is running and then you come back again. You cannot stop it because the button is not ready. So you wait until you reach the top, the whole thing and then take the reverse direction. You want to do electrical, for electronics, those who want to go to telecom, telecommunication engineering, accounting and finance, for those who like more, you can have one. Some more people will come.
All right, it's okay, it's okay.
We share.